let's talk about the Pesticide Management Bill. Now, why this bill is important and what are the highlights? So, first of all, this bill has replaced the Insecticide Act of 1968. Now, what does this bill on pesticide management talk about? Whenever we are talking about pest, it is any animal or any species or any kind of pathogen which affects or which is unwanted and harms the environment. So it is injurious to might be the plants, animals, or the environment. Now, pesticides are the chemicals which are used to basically destroy such a pathogen. Now, under the pesticide management bill that has been released, firstly we have establishment of Central Pesticide Board, which was not there so far. Now, with the establishment of Central Pesticide Board, the idea is there would be standards which would be set for pesticide creation. Pest control operators would be checked. Also, the working conditions, the training would be taken into account. We would have the idea and the details on disposal of the pesticides. Then, whenever a pesticide comes into the market, registration of the pesticide is very important. Now, this makes or assures that there are safety parameters that are taken into consideration. There are substances that are notified, what are ingredients of that pesticide, whether they are not harmful for environment or for human life. So registration of pesticide becomes must. Then in case you want to sell or distribute the pesticides, then obtaining a license is important. Now, a person who aims to manufacture, distribute or sell must take a license from the licensing officer, and this licensing officers are appointed by the state government. Then there is regulation of the prices that can be done if government feels so. If government feels there is a kind of hoarding that could occur, or there are unnatural price rises that are seen, in that cases government can regulate the prices of the pesticides. Again, prohibition of certain pesticides are important. As we already said, there could be certain pesticides which could be harmful or injurious to human health. They could be harmful for the environment. So in that cases, certain pesticides which are harmful would be prohibited. And then you have appointment of the pesticide inspector. Now, this inspector has an ability or has the rights to basically enter or seize any premise, search any of the premises, send samples to laboratory for testing. So it basically assures that there is no unwanted or unsafe compound or chemical which is being part of the pesticide. So these were the key highlights of the Pesticide Management Bill. We would be discussing many upcoming bills in the sessions coming again. So stay tuned for many more updates from our side. Have a wonderful day ahead.